Tomorrow is a big day. It could have much bigger ramifications on the market than I think a lot of people realize. We've essentially been waiting for some kind of news, something to, either give us the kick in the pants that we need to continue to the upside, or whether we're going to see some negative news and move to the downside and invalidate what we've been seeing in terms of price of ADA and BTC. Now, when we look at BTC, what you have to remember is that what essentially got us to this point was all these spot Bitcoin ETF filings. It came in a huge wave. It instilled confidence in the market, and it basically confirmed what we all knew already. And that's that big money was ready to flow into crypto. Obviously, the SEC has since pushed back on this, said that these are inadequate. They don't want to let the big dogs play in crypto, which is stupid. But right now, we've essentially gone sideways, waiting for some semblance of good news. Right now, BTC actually pumped over 31K. And this is, I'm guessing, just kind of a lead up into this jobs report. We'll obviously have to wait and see what happens tomorrow in that regard. But if this does continue on the positive note, we may in fact see BTC push over 32K, creating a new yearly high. If we get something negative, I wouldn't be surprised about a pullback to about 29K to 28K. Now, as always, this is not financial advice, but let's take a look at what ADA is doing right now. Obviously, it's still following this ascending channel, this trend line that we've had now for over a month. This is a great thing to see, or about a month rather. And like I said before, we're still kind of stuck in the middle of this range. We obviously had a retest over the past, 2 days or so, and it's still holding strong right now. Now, I want to give you guys some scenarios in regards to tomorrow's jobs report. Now, if we do get some positive, news, if the jobs report is what we think the Fed wants to see, we should likely continue this trend and continue to move to the upside. In fact, we'd probably test around 30 cents, probably a retest of these wicks that we had back at the end of June here, and we get back into the middle of this range. If this is negative, guys, I would not be surprised by a pullback down to try to test this, the bottom support on this channel. If that does not hold, I would expect to move all the way down to around 26.5 or so. As always, this is not financial advice, but this is just what the charts are showing right now. What I'd like to see is, obviously we know that this jobs report tomorrow is going to be a big mover of the market one way or the other. And then that's going to all lead into the following week's CPI report. What I'd like to see is if we're going to continue on this strong bullish upward movement in terms of ADA and the broader crypto market, I want to see ADA somewhere in this 31 to 32 cent range by that time. That would essentially confirm what we've been saying all this time, that there's still some bullish movement to the upside. The RSI is looking good. The MACD is looking good. There's a lot of metrics right now that are looking still very bullish for the price of assets. But obviously tomorrow is going to be a big day, and it's going to let us know whether we're going to continue this trend or whether we're going to see a little more downside in the near term. But I thought I'd share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely show your support below if you guys haven't. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think that tomorrow's report is going to be good for the market or if it's going to suck and we're going to go down. But appreciate you. Have a great day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.